AI is taking over jobs, but here's how to flip that into income. Everyone's talking about AI replacing jobs. But what if, instead of fearing it, you learned how to use it to build income streams with zero coding, zero experience, and zero boss? The shift has already begun. Across every industry, finance, law, media, even medicine, AI is quietly taking over. But here's the twist: the people who learn how to leverage AI tools are landing better jobs, launching side hustles, and earning money passively. Let's look at 5 fast ways people are flipping AI into income streams right now. AI voiceover gigs, $50 to $500 each. Use tools like 11 Labs to create natural voices, and sell voiceovers on Fiverr or Upwork. No mic needed. YouTube automation, no face, no camera. With ChatGPT and Pictory, anyone can create YouTube videos in hours. Some creators post daily with zero editing skills. AI article writing, paid per post. Writers are using Jasper or ChatGPT to write $100 blog posts in under an hour. You don't need to be a journalist, just smart with prompts. Run an online store, let AI handle the work. From product descriptions to email marketing, AI tools can run your store's content while you focus on growth. Sell AI services on LinkedIn. Businesses are begging for help. Offer AI tool setup, prompt writing, or automation consulting as a service. To get started, all you need is a phone or laptop. Free AI tools, linked below. A clear goal: this isn't just a tech shift, it's a mindset shift. You can fight the AI wave, or ride it into freedom and income. Subscribe to Auto Prompt AI right now. We're dropping daily videos to help you build faceless income and unlock your freedom, powered by AI.